Hi everyone. In this video, let me discuss about installation process of our VS Code. Okay, that is an important thing to do our HTML programs. Now for that one, open any one of the browser. Okay, and after opening browser, just type it here VS Code download, VS Code download and install, and after typing it will provide some websites for us to download. Okay, take any one of the website. Suppose I am taking second one. Okay, now here they are giving one option, call it as download for Windows. Just click on it. After clicking here, now it is downloading in this one. Okay, just wait. Okay, now downloading process is done, and after downloading process, go to what is it, this PC downloads. Okay, now take your VS Code, double click on it and accept here I agree, and go to next one. Okay, here they are providing directly VS Code, and after that go to next one. Next, here they are providing what is a directly VS Code, then no need to change anything. Click on it and take here what is it next, and after next go to here next button and take an installation. Okay, it is downloading, just wait 1 minute. Okay, now it's downloaded, and after downloading just go to here, press with finish button. Okay, now it is opening VS Code, right? Do one thing, just close this one, close all the tabs, create here on desktop one new folder, create on desktop one new folder with UI. Okay, and double tap on UI, take once again one more folder. Okay, and folder related to HTML. Okay, folder related to HTML, and take one more folder here, and folder name take as CSS, and one more folder I'm considering, that folder name call it as JavaScript. Okay, and next I'm generating one more folder here, that is nothing but media, and inside media take again one more folder, inside media one more folder for images, and another folder for videos, and one more folder for audios, one more folder for audios. Okay, now just check it how I generated this one. Take here, double tap on UI and go to what is it, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and media folder. Inside media again audios, images and videos folders. Okay, let me import this into VS Code now. Open your VS Code. Okay, after opening, close everything, go to file, take an open folder option. Okay, where we generated on desktop, go to desktop, take UA folder and press select folder. Now each and every file it is importing here. Each and every file it is importing here. Just close this welcome page. Okay, and after that just go to your file. Now select this autosave. By default for you it will show without any right mark. Just click on this autosave, then it will go to our files auto saving process. Okay, and after completion of auto save and folder importing process, and do one more process, go to extensions. Okay, now in the extensions type here live server. Type here live server. Okay, take this live server and click on install. And this live server especially we are using to generate one local server on our system, and this local server will not applicable for reaching our code to some other people. It will applicable to open only in our desktop. Okay, now live server installed successfully. Then after that, okay, select on this HTML and create one new file with one name. Call it as basic dot, extension is nothing but dot html. The mandatory thing is dot html. Without the what is it extension, it will not generate for us our html template. Okay, so extension is mandatory with the dot html, please don't forget it. And after creating new file, just hit an enter button and take cursor here. Okay, and press shift 1. Press what is it shift plus 1, then it will give for us one predefined template. Okay, in previous class what we discussed related to these points, that all the things it is giving for us here. This is nothing but the structure. Okay, if you don't know meaning of what is doc type, html and head portion, body portion, please watch my previous video. Then in that video I covered what is the meaning of this one and why we are using this tags. Okay, now this is the thing for installation. Let me write here some content, like just I'm giving here one statement, call it as welcome to first program. I'm telling what is it, welcome to first program. Okay, now where I need to see this output on browser, right? So to see output on browser, we install just now one live server. So based on live server, we can take our output on browser. Just for that one, do one thing, right click on your file. Okay, go with open with live server. Once again I'm showing to you, right click on it and take what is it, open with live server. Then it will generate one port number for us. Okay, based on that port number, it is redirecting output to browser. Now it is giving output as welcome to first program. Okay, this is nothing but a complete class related to installation and how to execute it and how to install our live server and how to do saving process and how to generate one folder structure. Okay, now thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe to your friends, then it will help to other friends also. Okay, thank you, and we'll meet in next video.